too many boxes. Ugh. I've gotten some questions on the channel since I have covered Intel processors and related, generations and such in the past, asking where my 8700K coverage was. Why haven't I talked about Coffee Lake? Is it as big of a deal as everyone's been talking about? And Intel reached out and wanted to know the same thing. So they wanted to sponsor a really cool unboxing here. We've got some really neat goodies here in this box, and it's becoming a trend here in the studio this month that I'm getting boxes bigger than I am in the studio here. And we've got an even bigger box down here with an awesome CyberPower PC we're going to be unboxing, so I can show you the power of the Intel Core i7-8700K and all of its awesome multi-threaded performance. And we're going to get into that right after this. Useful tech education and gaming nostalgia that won't put you to sleep. Get subscribed and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next guide. Got my handy dandy unboxing knife. Let's see what's in the first box before we get to the cool computer that's underneath, because I get the feeling that this stuff might help us out when we're streaming and megatasking with the computer. Good old-fashioned packing peanuts. Nom nom. Actually, after certain trends on YouTube, I should probably not suggest people eat things that they're not supposed to eat anymore. We have a set of sliders and controls so that we can edit video more efficiently and have more finer control, which I am super stoked to check out in a future video. This is going to be sick. Yep, we've got a couple things. We have ourselves a capture card here, which we will be using to capture footage that doesn't come from the PC. And if you like a little bit of console in your life, this computer will help you stream and record that as well. And of course, we have ourselves a control deck here, which will allow us to control our live streams and do awesome scene switching and manage all of our sources that the 8700K will allow us to megatask with. We have ourselves a nice little streaming webcam so that we can show our pretty face on the live streams. We have a custom mouse pad here, editing. All the cool kids are doing it. Dude, this is so cool. They sent me an editor's t-shirt. Edit, export, compress, done. That's awesome. Whew. Well, that took literally forever to clean up, so I have some minor regrets, but that's okay. Now we're unboxing this beast of a machine, the CyberPower GXI VR80. We're just gonna call it Red. There will be a product link in the description down below if you want to check it out for yourself. This, oh, that didn't work. This beast of a machine contains an Intel Core i7-8700K 6-core 12-thread processor to power pretty much any megatasking you desire, as well as 16 gigabytes of DDR4 memory. We've got a GTX 1080 Ti graphics card in here, 240 gig SSD, and a 1 terabyte hard drive for all those awesome game recordings or other work you may be megatasking with on this machine. We first have a CyberPower mouse, a package with the manuals, the power cable, and some accessories, things like that in here. We also have down here, it even comes with a keyboard. This is pretty cool. It came with a mouse and a keyboard. Meet Red. This is the PC. It is awesome. That 8700K, by the way, does have a water cooler on here. We've got this nice textured metal shroud that wraps kind of around the front and to the motherboard panel side. Nice CyberPower branding, of course. We've got vented fins up top for some fans. We've got two USB 3.0 ports, audio in and out, 3.5mm jacks, a reset button, a power button, and some indicator LEDs. Two big old fans in the front, and all of this has some nice LED lighting as well, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to be showing you that while I talk to you about the advantages of the 8700K, given that instead of the usual 4-core, this one has 6 cores, which means you get 2 more cores, 4 more threads for a total of 12 threads over previous generation Core i7 processors. It gives you a lot more performance for streaming, recording, gaming, video editing, 3D work, any sort of multitasking you want to do. Bajillion Chrome tabs like I do. That's like my biggest resource hog, is all of my browser tabs. All can be done right here. And this is a pretty beefy rig, and that 1080 Ti is no slouch either. So we're gonna hook this up and do some game streaming and see how it performs.
Hey, secret room. CPU is at 100%, but that's because I am doing a lot in the background. I am live streaming. We got OBS live streaming on X264. We've got a video rendering in Adobe Media Encoder. Been going for the last 11 minutes, going full H264 encoding. And we've got like a bajillion Chrome tabs going, and I don't even know what most of these are. These are pulled from my other computer. We've got like a bajillion Chrome tabs, because this is how I normally use the computer. And it's all holding up while letting me stream a game, which is pretty freaking cool.
So if you tuned into my live stream, you found out that I was actually really impressed with how well this 8700K performs when megatasking. I was playing an intense game and live streaming at the same time, and I was able to adjust my live streaming presets so that, as someone in the chat pointed out, I was able to get the quality to where it almost looked like a recording while live streaming, which was really, really cool, and the game ran ridiculously well. So I will have some tips and tricks videos coming very shortly for live streaming with streaming software and optimizing for use with this 6-core, 12-thread megatasking beast of a processor very soon. Otherwise, go check out the link to the computer itself from CyberPower PC down in the description down below. Come follow me on Twitch. Trying to stream a little bit more often. Hit the like button if you enjoyed. I'm EposVox, here to make tech easier and more fun, and I'll see you in the next one. This video is sponsored by viewers like you. Our videos would not be possible without the generosity of those of you who contribute to one of our fan funding options, be it donor box, Twitch subscriptions, direct contributions via PayPal, or Patreon. To join our inner circle and get behind-the-scenes looks at videos, go to eposvox.com/support to learn more, and join us on Discord at eposvox.com/discord. Thanks.